We all depend on trucks.
Chevy trucks. We think it's because Chevrolets are
The most dependable
dependable trucks.
built to last a long time. With durability
And
ruggedness.
Son of a gun.
Chevrolet pickups are
designed
And
better
than ever giving you a smooth, solid ride since 1918.
I like the extra power. Hauling power. Super power.
Super powerful.
Nasty power!
And quality.
Seems they make them
Strong.
Extra strong.
stronger every year.
Chevy trucks
Are built for work.
work. Hard work.
And for play.
That's why Chevy's the best truck.
Mile after mile after mile.
Mile.